Hi and welcome to my channel. So today we have a problem which is asking Tredence interview. So the problem is find events with 3 or more consecutive year for each PID. So let's try to understand this problem first. If you can see, we have these 3 PID common and the year is 2019, 2020 and 2021. And because these 3 years are consecutive, so we want to find out those PIDs with more than 3 consecutive years. So currently, we can see one has more than 3 consecutive years. That is why it is in our output. So now let's check other rows as well. Let's check for PID2. We have only 2 rows. Although this is consecutive, but this is less than 3. So we cannot consider this in our output. Let's consider next PID which is 3. We have 2019, then 2021. So we don't have any 3 consecutive PID in this one. So at the end we will end up with PID1 as our output. So let's jump into our SQL and try to write the solution for this. So we have this events table, and my approach to solve this problem is, suppose if in any row, let's consider this second row, if we are able to get this 2019 information in this row and also this 2021 information in the same row, which is the second row, then what we can do is we can subtract this 2020 with 2019 and the difference is 1. And also we can do the same. We can subtract 2021 with 2020 and again the difference is 1. So when the difference is 1 for its previous year as well as its next year, we can say that that particular PID is consecutive. So let's try to solve this now. To get the previous and next year in the same row, we can use lag and lead function. PID lag of year by 1 or, and we can use partition by PID order by year, and we can say this as previous year. Similarly, we can create one more row by using lead function for the next year, and we want this from events. Now let's run this, and also we need the year. So now you can see we have the current year, previous year as well as next year in the same row. Now from this table we can check if the previous year and the current year difference is 1 and also the next year and the current year difference is 1, then we can say that this is consecutive year. So let's do this city as, and we are creating this as temporary table, and from this table we need PID from this city table, and we want only those PIDs where current year minus previous year equal to 1 and next year minus current year equal to 1. So we want only these rows. So let's run this. We have some issue because we have to run this entire query. Now you can see we have the PID, and because there can be some instances where we can have duplicate PIDs, so instead of just using PID, use distinct. And let's run this again. So you can see this is our output, and this is how we can solve this problem. Please like my video, subscribe my channel, because this motivates me to make more videos. Thank you.